the create function is super useful when you're trying to standardize not only a recipe, but the process of cooking that recipe. To demonstrate this, we're gonna make a pancake program. So if I hit create, it's gonna ask me first, what temperature do you wanna set? So for pancakes, I'm gonna set it to 332 degrees. After I set that, it's gonna ask me, how fast do you want me to go? For pancakes, we wanna make pancakes now, we need heat now, we're gonna use fast. And then I'm gonna add time. So I like to do 2 minutes per side. And now I've got 332 degrees, a fast intensity, and I've got a 2-minute timer for each side. So then I give it a name, and now it's saying it's saved to the menu. So I'm gonna add some pancake batter. To the pan and start my timer. So it's gonna cook for 2 minutes on this side at 332 degrees. So I've reached our 2-minute limit. I'm gonna go ahead, flip my pancake, and the cooker is counting down for another 2 minutes. After this, we've got a perfect pancake. Something like this has never been possible before. Something this even is the result of temperature control. You can clearly see how powerful pan control is and the precision just by the color of the pancake, complete same color from edge to edge.